Hello and welcome to this physics video, sound waves U08.SW2. Today we will be calculating the velocity of sound in a fluid, a solid rod, and an air at different temperatures. Here we have the speed of sound in a liquid. What it says is the change in displacement equals velocity times the change in time. Next we have the speed of sound in both air and a solid. Velocity equals frequency times lambda, which means wavelength. So let's try out a problem. A whale emits a loud groan underwater that hits a bed of sea rocks 321 meters away 5.2 seconds later. What is the velocity of the sound wave in a temperature of 43 degrees Celsius? So I already took the liberty of bringing down the equation. Now we just need to plug in our given values. We have that the distance that it travels is 321 meters away. We don't know the velocity, but we do know the change in time is 5.2 seconds. So all we have to do is divide 321 by 5.2, and we will get our value of 61.73, which I will just round to 61.7. So that means the velocity is 61.7 meters per second. Number 2. A guitar string, when strummed, produces a frequency of 110 Hz and a wavelength of 0.8 meters. What is the velocity of the sound wave? So here we have velocity equals frequency times lambda. We're given the values of frequency, which is 110, and we have lambda, which is 0.8. So all we have to do is multiply those two values together, and we will get our velocity, which is simply 88 meters per second. All right, and lastly, number 3. A tuning fork placed in front of a solid produces a frequency of 250 Hz and a wavelength of 16.5 meters. What is the velocity of the sound wave? So, the same thing. Velocity equals frequency times lambda. We have the frequency is 250 Hz, and that lambda is 16.5. So, I'm going to multiply those two values together, 250 times 16.5. 250 times 16.5, and I get 4,125 meters per second. So there you have it. To find the speed of sound in liquids, solid, and air, or a gas, you just use these two equations right here. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video.